is that when people try to think about individualising care, often the focus in recent years, the focus has been on a very narrow definition of what individualised and what personalised therapy is, looking just at the biological characteristics of the disease. And I think that this is a mistake. That to truly personalise therapy, you need to be looking at the whole person and their whole disease experience. Who do they live with? What are their fears? What are their worries? What are their goals? What are their financial resources? How are they coping? And without really looking at these bigger issues and not just the biology of the disease, you will often leave people with treatment which may be technically good, but on a personal level is sterile and unfulfilling and failing to address critical needs for the patient and for their family.
So you told us that the oncologists need to change their way of doing medicine.
Look, they may be doing it well now, but in the enthusiasm and the focus about biologically targeted therapies, this is a reminder not to lose the picture of the whole patient. And to remember that ultimately we need to be dealing with the whole patient, and that these therapies may be helpful to us to modify their diseases, but we can't be forgetting the personal and the social context of what we're dealing with in trying to provide both the best of technical care and the best of personal care.
Okay, and that personalization of the therapeutic can provide us better results.
In some situations it does provide better results. In some situations it can actually lead people in the wrong direction. In terms of going after treatments that have a small chance of helping, but a big chance of either causing side effects or compromising them financially. And so we need a degree of humility when we explain what personalised therapeutics can and can't do.
Okay, second part of your presentation was about this new tool. I don't know if it's new, but this tool of ESMO. Can you talk me a little bit about it?
The ESMO magnitude of clinical benefit scale is a way to bring some degree of discipline as to how we derive our understanding as to how much benefit a new treatment can bring. We've all seen the headline news of breakthroughs in cancer care, but when you look at the fine details, that things are actually bringing a very small amount of benefit to a small amount of people. And we want to avoid that. We want to get away from that, because that is harmful both to the public, and when it comes from the oncology profession, it is harmful to our credibility. Okay. We need to be honest brokers, and to be honest brokers, we need to have a disciplined and accurate way of how we communicate and express the amount of benefit which we've seen that new treatments can bring. Where it's a big benefit, we want to be able to say it's a big benefit and this is why. But where the amount of benefit is very small, we need to be able to say, listen, this drug costs thousands and thousands of dollars, but it's only really producing a very small amount of benefit. This is really not worthwhile, either for you as an individual or for the country as an investment, and to be able to articulate why that's the case.
That's a way to put some objectivity in the process?
Absolutely, yeah. Fairness, objectivity, and in a very transparent way. The tool is a work in progress, and we're constantly trying to refine it to make sure that it is accurate and reasonable. And thus far, the experience is that it is doing the job.
Okay. It's being used worldwide right now?
It is being used increasingly in different parts of the world. Right now, it's being used in Israel. The French Ministry of Health and the German Ministry of Health are looking at using it as part of their health technology assessment process. It doesn't replace HTA processes, but it is a tool to make the processes better and more effective.